Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a wallet on chain that just has been launched in September 1, and I'm recording this on this day, and this is an unboxing video and a little bit about my opinion about this bag. Just a quick one, if you're new to this channel, my name is Murphy and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor for 6 years here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and this channel is all about Louis Vuitton products and Louis Vuitton updates and all luxury brands in general. So if this is your kind of thing, do not forget to subscribe. Wallet on chain Lily, or Lily wallet on chain. This bag is very similar to the Eva pochette bag that your uncles, aunties, grandma or mom has in the past, and also very similar to the old favorites that is also in Monogram. Before I say my opinion, let's get started opening this new wallet on chain Lily. Today my friend Annie is helping me opening this box, and you will receive it with a small box if you order it online or if you purchase it in the store, but I would highly recommend to purchase it in the store to support SAs like me. And this is how it looks like when you open it. It is actually a very small, simple square bag with a flap with that metal logo in front. And inside is a microfiber lining. It comes with a chain strap, and if you see a while ago, it comes with card holders inside as well. You can attach this on the side where there is the D-ring, and the strap, as you can see, is in vachetta leather or VVN leather. So this is the long strap. You can wear it as a crossbody bag, but you have multiple ways of wearing it because you can actually detach the chain into two, and you can wear it with that dangling monogram circle logo, so that makes the chain smaller, and also you can just attach the small one with the bag and you can carry it as a handbag or a pouch. So that's it. That is how it looks like. I am honestly not impressed, but I know a lot of people likes small, simple, classic bags, and maybe it's just me being in the store every day and seeing new launches. But I swear to you, I think there are more prettier bag than this. So let's just get started with the practicality of this bag and what fits inside. Now we are putting a normal size of an iPhone, and this is two phones, iPhone 11 and iPhone 8, and a lipstick and a card holder. And this is how fit it looks like. It is actually just nice, but to be honest, you don't need a wallet inside because you have that card holder slot inside the bag. So it's not advisable to really carry a wallet with you, but I know a lot of people want cash just in case of emergency, but you can also slot it in that pocket. So that is how it looks like. Actually, it is practical, the fact that you can fit two phones inside, so I think that's not bad. Now, two ways to wear it is a crossbody, and it is just nice. This is my colleague Lynn, and she is average height, maybe around 5'3", and you can also carry it as a handbag and also like a pouch. And a lot of people would actually likes carrying a monogram pouch in some occasion, but I don't really recommend carrying a monogram bag for formal occasion because it just doesn't look pretty at all. It just, you can find other bags for occasion. Monogram bag, a canvas bag, is meant for casual wear, in my opinion. Now that logo in front can be scratched with abrasion, so you just have to avoid friction and abrasion if you want to prevent it. You can change this. Of course, there will be a repair option or aftercare service for this logo, but remember that it's chargeable because it's part of the wear and tear. So if you are a person that can get bothered with that scratches on the metal, then don't get this kind of bag. One thing that I like about this bag is just the chain. The chain is kind of creative. I like that you can detach two chain, make it shorter, and you have that dangling LV circle. Also, that small, the short chain that you can carry it with when you're carrying it as a pouch. It's actually pretty cute. So that's the only thing that is a positive thing that I can say about this bag. The strap is in VVN leather, so that is the only leather that will change over time in color because the rest of it is a canvas. The price of this is 2380, and nowadays all the bags are 2000 plus. Even the Felici nowadays is 2070, so 2300 plus for a small new launch bag. I think it's really okay. It's the price now that you can get. I'm not saying that it's not expensive, but actually it is not. If you choose a luxury brand, you cannot get a 2000 plus bag in a small bag with other luxury brands like Dior and Chanel. So I think it is a good price. So being honest with you, I'm not a fan of this design because I just felt that this is just launched because Louis Vuitton needs to launch another monogram bag, and there's really no creativity to it. There is no style. There is no identity to this bag. I felt like it's a combination of old bags, and for people who wants plain bag and like a small pochette, they will probably go for it. But maybe it's just me because being in a store every single day, I've seen a lot of more cuter and creative bag that's been launching. And I would understand if you're a person that would like this bag. I would like to know your opinion too. Please comment your opinion because maybe it's just really me talking as a CA because I want the best also for my client. I want to be honest with them if I find the bag really pretty. Unless there are a special reason, maybe they miss their Eva pochette because it's their first bag and they want a recreation of it. Or maybe they miss their first favorite bags because their husbands give it to them and now it's beyond repairable, so they want a new one. Maybe there are reasons like that, but for style reason and for fashion reason, I wouldn't recommend it. If I'm going to suggest something that is better than this, it would be your Ivy wallet on chain, because Ivy wallet on chain has a strap and a leather strap, and also it's very simple. It has this flap that is not overcomplicated with that metal old-fashioned Louis Vuitton logo. I think honestly you have to go with Ivy wallet on chain than this, and the price difference is only about $200 because Ivy wallet on chain is 2540. So for people who are waiting for this launch, people who are wanting this, please go to the store and try it and see how you feel about it, because at the end of the day you are the one to decide yourself. I'm just here to voice out my honest opinion. And if there's another bag that I would recommend aside from this, if you really want a wallet on chain bag that is affordable, you can go for Felici, although that has a smaller space. I would say that there's really not much difference between the two. In my opinion, the one that would wear this are the people who are on the matured side. So if you are a person in your 20s or 30s, there are a lot more options than this bag. I'm so sorry, this is not my favorite bag, but it's still very interesting. It is very affordable. If you are in a budget, you're looking for your first bag, I would say that this bag is something timeless, something that you can pass on to generations still, and something that you can wear forever. You can also change the strap if you want to buy a separate strap for a leather strap, that also will do. But as I say, Ivy wallet and chain already has that. So be smart with your choices, and you have to listen to yourself. I'm just here to voice out my opinion, maybe to help you a little bit if you are very confused, but you have to try it, see how you feel about the bag, and buy it if you feel like it and you have the reason to. So yes, that's all I can say about this bag, and I hope you enjoy this little unboxing video. I am recording this at 11:40 p.m. I just went back from work, and I just want to get this thing out there for you to know what I think about it, and for your entertainment as well. All right. I am going to say goodbye for now. I have a review of a better bag 2 weeks ago or a week ago. It is the On The Go East West, and to be honest, that's a better bag for you to try. You have to see the review or unboxing. It will be linked down here, and also follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I update all the latest and the hottest collections in there. I will see you on my next video. I will be unboxing another cute little bag, and watch out for it. Turn on your notification button to get yourself updated once I upload it. And I'm not going to tell you what is it, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye!